All right, guys, next thing that came in my mind is let's first of all get rid of code. Somewhere in there was still an application that did not need to be there. Code, here it is. And going for Linux LTS and Linux LTS headers, and instead of KDE, XFC, Mate, Cinnamon, first time ever Lxde. And always something changes, right? But this is the dev. So I push everything online. These two guys, actually three guys, are pushed online. And then I have an ISO that I've built this morning, still very recent, virtual manager, virtual machine manager. So double click this thing, gonna say launch it. I have set here that we can choose, and it's a pure Arch thing, but it contains two folders, and it's the dev one that I'm gonna use. Well, let's not forget to say full screen, and then let's go ahead. In the meantime, if you watched a few videos, you totally get the procedure, but I forgot it. So I need to go to Azerty. That's done. CD, Alice in Wonderland, that's how I remember it. I always want to type something else, which I'm not gonna say, otherwise it's gonna keep in my mind here. Get out. Start SH. Everything is fixed, saved on the local computer. Push it to the GitHub. With this command, everything becomes green, plus the git pull. So get everything in. New stuff is in, and yes, go. And off it goes. And I can go and walk away again. Of course, it's best to have a look and enjoy all this coding, this matrix-like feeling that we're quite accustomed to already when we build our packages in ArcoLinux. But still, there is some charm in this black-white screen. I'm not gonna pause again, just to show you how fast Linux is installed. Let's say ArcoLinux is installed with this tool. All credits to Pico. So great, powerful combo, and everything in one ISO, AA. There he is, Linux LTS and Linux LTS headers. Okay. I'm recording 3 minutes. Okay. The blue things, if you fast enough to read it, then you know what bit you're busy. Now we know we're doing grub. It's another video, do a refined video. Lots of fonts. Eric, you forgot to remove Chromium. Go to my second screen, and I go to the AA, lsdev, lspackages.conf, control find Chromium. Put a exclamation mark in front of Chromium, Eric. Yes, Eric, I will. That's exclamation mark. And curl and wget I'll get rid of as well. Control save, quit, and push. In the meantime, it's installed, but I have it too. Less packages as commit command, escape, boot existing OS. Aha, right, LTS. And Eric is here, knows his password, you do too. And this is Lxde. Accessories, internet, Chromium is out next time around. These two guys are for development. Alex terminal, we have a terminal here. Preferences, customers look and feel. Desktop preferences. Monitor settings. Looks like a good way to start with this one. Yep, apply. Okay, save. Done. So we got ourselves an Lxde, and I can show you that here as well. So sudo, it's very dark indeed. That's up to date. -s neofetch. If you update your virtual machine and you are starting to download 100 megabytes, 800 megabytes, a gigabyte, right? That's the time to rebuild your AA ISO. Otherwise, each and every single time you get all these updates in. Voila. This is another look. Main point is the LTS that we can find here. Let's see if I can do, yes, I can do it. This is Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus. So we have another, yeah, maybe like this, another image for our collection. All right. Cheers.